Hello guys, we're gonna fix this droopy cactus, but before that we have to understand why this is becoming droopy. Droopiness is the first phase of being etiolated. So this is asking for more sunlight, or it's leaning towards the direction where there's more light. So in order to fix this, I'm gonna show you. And since we know that it is lacking sunlight exposure, they need more sun exposure, then we have to put it in a place where it can get lots of sunlight. After a week, then we can remove this tie and see that it will become straight. So if you don't do this, if you don't fix it while it's still droopy, it's gonna be etiolated, meaning it will grow here thin and stretchy, elongated growth. So if you see succulents and cactus like that, fix it right away before it becomes etiolated. But what if there's already an etiolated part here? Can you still fix that? The answer is no. You cannot fix etiolated parts. The only thing you can do is cut that etiolated part, and it will grow a regular shape when it is properly exposed to sunlight. So that answers your questions, guys, for those who are asking. On our next video, we're gonna repot this. We have successfully grafted this. As you can see, it's really connected now. So we're gonna pot this on our next video. See you.